Oh, wow. There's lots of eggs in there. 3 of them?
Good job, bud.
Okay, go put them in your basket. Your bucket.
I gotta open them first. Oh.
Cheerios.
What in this one?
What's in that one?
I know. Money's. What's in this? The other one.
More Cheerios.
Cheerios.
Okay, you gonna keep looking in the cupboard, see if you can find your basket?
Yeah.
I don't think it's in there. How about the next one?
The next one. This one.
You already looked in that one.
That one. Oh! Oh! Guys! Guys! Guys!
Bring the basket out here and show me what's in it.
I like M&M.
It's because the Easter Bunny knows you're keeping dry pants.